Number 5, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. Top speed, 483 km per hour, 1600 HP. Basically, if God made a car, it'd be this. Number 4, the SSC Tuatara. Top speed, 532 km per hour, 1750 HP. Faster than you can say Speed Demon. Bronze medal. Number 3, the Hennessy Venom F5. Top speed, 532 km per hour, 1817 HP. Makes your hair stand up, if any left. Silver spot. Number 2, the Devil 16. Top speed, 560 km per hour, 5007 HP. More power than some countries. And number 1, the Bugatti Bolide. Top speed, 500 plus km/h, 1850 HP. Owns the asphalt. Untouchable on track. Still here? Congrats, you're a crazy car fanatic. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment your favorite. I'll see you in the next video. Stay fast and awesome.